partially made back in the winter. Obviously it's summer now, but I just wanted to show you. I had some fuel pressure issues with my Raptor during the winter when it was really cold out, loss of pressure. It's a good thing I had the gauge so I can watch, monitor these things. So I just wanted to do a little video on the problem I had. These pumps are very robust. They generally don't fail. So if you have an AirDog, Raptor, or Fast, most likely it's probably not the pump. I highly recommend checking what I found in this video first before you do anything. First time the Cummins ever stranded me on the side of the road. Here's why. This is what happened. Just barely on the throttle. As soon as I get on it a bit, that's letting right off, not touching the fuel, and we're at like 16. Lightly on the fuel, 13.5. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys on my fuel pressure gauge that with the truck running, it's like 15 or under. I have the issue when it's really cold. As you can see, that night it was minus 19. This is my fuel pressure sensor, and so I took it apart to make sure everything was cool there and I didn't have a blockage in the line. You can see here I'm just under 10. Look at this, 6 psi while I'm driving. Like, this is not good. These trucks need 15 to 17 for the CP3, so I was just limping this home because I did not want to run into wrecking my CP3 again. So long story short, I ended up seeing that there's an inlet screen on the Raptor lift pump, and as you can see here, my screen was clogged, and I was super happy to see that, in the sense that, you know, I didn't have to buy a new pump. It's just a matter of cleaning the screen. The debris here, it looks like chunks of weeds and stuff and maybe some rubber. Cleaned it up with some brake clean and compressed air, and I knew this was going to be good now, so I put her back in and tightened up all the fittings, and yeah, here we go. I was going to say this is the moment of truth, but there ain't no moment of truth in this situation. That screen was clogged, and I know that this fuel pressure is going to be good now, so listen to that pump. Sounds strong. Can actually pump the fuel now. We're good to go. I just wanted to say real quick, in the winter this thing runs 20, in the summer it's 17. Now that's what we want to see, and I knew we would see that once I saw that screen. So if you guys got AirDog, Raptor, I don't know about Fast, I'm sure they got a screen, but if your truck is losing fuel pressure when it's cold out, and again, it's not even that cold right now, it's only minus 7, but I had the issues like minus 14 and colder. Yeah, this is your problem. You can save a lot of money and you don't need a new pump. It could be that simple as the issue I had with the clogged screen. There you go, boys.